Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer repair video. Today I've got the Epson Workforce 7820, and basically I'm going to be showing you how to use the Best Printers cleaning kit on this printer. So basically, if you're having an issue printing a certain color, choppy prints, an overall print quality issue, the solution is the Best Printers cleaning kit. Now this is a very quick and easy DIY that you can do yourself at home, and I highly encourage you to do that. This cleaning kit has helped thousands of consumers save hundreds of dollars, potentially lost ink and printers, and the purchase of a new printer and new ink. It really does add up when you count the cost. So spending a little bit of money on a cleaning kit and having a high likelihood of this fixing your problem is very much worth it. There will be a link in the description below for this cleaning kit. It's going to be the very first link at the top of the description. So if you click there, you can order it, get it with Amazon Prime, get it quickly. Right now there is a coupon, so you can save a percentage. So go there now and make your purchase anytime during the video, or right now you can pause, go make the purchase, watch the video, understand what you need to do, receive the product, do the cleaning with the instructions in this video. So if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Anything printer related, printer unboxing, repairs such as this video, printer ink installation, printer recommendations, all of that is what you're going to find on this channel. So I hope that this channel can be a resource for you on YouTube for all of your printing needs. If this video ends up helping you out, please make sure to like. If you have any questions at all, please comment below. And if you see that I haven't gotten to some of the comments and you have an answer to some of these questions that are in the comment section below, feel free to answer and help out as much as possible. I do get flooded with questions and comments, so I may be a little bit behind, but that's the whole purpose of this community, is to help each other out with the problems that we're having. So if you have an answer to a specific question, feel free, shoot your answer out to the question, and that'd be greatly appreciated. Now, any other products I end up talking about in this video aside from the Best Printers cleaning kit will be linked below the cleaning kit link. So if whether it's a printer or a certain type of ink, that will all be linked in the description below. Alright, that's enough of me. Let's get right into this repair. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to print off a print nozzle check. Basically what that is a report that's going to show you which colors you're having the most trouble with. Some colors may not be printing at all, or you may just have choppy prints in certain colors, but this report is going to show you exactly what it is you need to work on when you get to the print head, which is what I'm going to show you. So you're going to print that off, and in this case there's not much wrong with this printer. However, it's still going to be the same process that you're going to go through to make sure you've got the right colors that you're going to be working on. You really do want to have a focused and a clear, precise plan when you're going in and cleaning this print head with the Best Printers cleaning kit, and I'll get more into that later. But right now what I'm doing is I am going into the settings, and I'm going to click on a button that's going to allow me to change out the ink cartridges. So essentially what I'm clicking on here is ink cartridge replacement, and once you start that, the print head will move into a position where you can then unlatch it and you can begin removing the ink cartridges. You want to do this because this is going to free up space. This is really the only way you can get to the print head, so this is a very important step. Now, one of the biggest culprits, one of the biggest reasons I have found that you are having this problem that you're having is the ink cartridges. The system may have shown that you have plenty of ink when in reality you are running very low. As you can see here, I'm unplugging the power cord. That's a very important step. But I'm going to be leaving a link in the description below for some remanufactured ink, so you can purchase some. If you're running low on ink, you're really going to want to purchase that and have that along with the cleaning kit so that you can replace the ink cartridges after you're done cleaning, and that should bring back your color 100%. Another item you're going to want to have is some paper towel, just like I folded up there. The purpose of this paper towel being folded up like this is so that you can slide the print head over it, and when you are working on the print head, when you are pushing the cleaning fluid through the print head, that fluid and that dried up ink can then flow and go onto that paper towel. So that's a very important part, so you don't create a mess within your printer. This is where you're going to want to pull out that report that shows you which colors you need to work on the most. Hopefully it's a handful of colors, maybe one or two. If it's the full print head, if nothing is printing out, you're going to have to clean every single color, every single nozzle, all four of them here, what you see on screen. You're going to have to clean all of them. However, if you have one or two that are printing normally, don't touch them. There's no need for it. Just focus on the colors that are giving you the most problems. You're going to want to do maybe one or two full syringes on the problem nozzles. If you have one color, just focus on the one. Do 3 or 4 syringes full of cleaning fluid into that nozzle so that you do a very thorough cleaning. Again, if you have multiple colors or nothing is printing off, you have blank pages, you really are going to have to do 10 to 20 milliliters at a time. What I did here is I moved the print head over because the towel does get pretty moist from all of the cleaning solution that you're pushing through. So even if you want to replace that towel, midway through the cleaning process, that would be a very good idea. Now the syringe that is included in this kit is a 20 milliliter syringe. It is one of the larger syringes on the market, and I did it this way so that when you're doing a cleaning, it is so important to push the fluid through all at once. The more fluid you can push through, the more effective the cleaning is going to be. Now you may be asking yourself, well, if I unplug the power cord, if I push this solution, this liquid through the print head, won't there be damage? The answer is absolutely not. I have been doing this for about 6 years, this same process. Nothing has changed. Every printer that I have worked on for the most part. Now the only times I've had issues is if the printer was already at the end of its life. So once you're done with the cleaning, another thing you're going to want to do is actually do a general cleaning of the area where there may be some excess fluid and around the print head. Make sure that everything is pretty much dried up before you go ahead and replace the ink cartridges. Now remember, you're wanting to put in a new set of ink cartridges if your previous ink was running too low. So just plan for that and make sure that that is included in your plan when you're going in to do the cleaning. Another very important step at the end, once you've done the cleaning, you've put the ink cartridges back, is making sure that your printer is now able to print the colors it previously was not able to print. Now you're going to see me go into the settings, and what you're going to want to do is a print head cleaning. This is not for the purpose of actually cleaning the print head. This is for the purpose of the system pumping the ink back into the print head, pumping the ink back into the system. Now you're going to see when you do these tests, when you print them off again, they're going to come out completely faded, at times probably blank. Even if you had some color, that's because of the cleaning that you did. But once you do this 3 or 4 times, the color will start to come back. And as you see here, the progression, if you started off missing some color, you'll see that it'll come faded, but then it will come back fully with all of the colors 100%. Now this may go into the 5th or the 6th. It could go up to 10 times that you have to do this. However, that's the process. That is what is required. And at the end, you will have a printer that is printing normally again. I hope that this video was helpful. If you have any questions at all, comment below. Remember the links that are in the description below as well. And also consider subscribing. Lastly, if this video was helpful, please make sure to like. That's really all I have for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.